somewhere dahil ngayon ay last day na uwi na siya ng Pilipinas for tomorrow. Si Noel Vlog. So, we'll have this part 2 is dinner. So, babalik din naman siya sa Paris. So, kita-kita tayo doon with our friends. And of course, may Mariami. So, see you there. And babatid. Dito tayo ngayon sa may Vietnamese food. So we are here, right? Yan. Hi. Hi. Yan, busy sila. Mare, hi ka naman. Ore. Mamaya kain tayo. Yan, tapos na sila. Full video mapapanood nyo kay Noel Vlogs. Yan, dyan nyo mapapanood. Yan, Tiki Man Time. Yan. Okay. Ayun, no?
Salamat, boss. Tip channel.
Noel Vlogs. Doon nyo makikita yung full video. Okay. Okay. How's the food? Good? Oh, I think you did not eat. You want?